Is your diesel truck idling weirdly and completely refusing to clean its own exhaust filter? You might be facing an intake sensor failure indicated by the P02E7 engine code. This generic powertrain diagnostic trouble code applies to all diesel OBD2 equipped vehicles, but frequently shows up on Chevrolet, Dodge, Ford, and GMC trucks across the United States. This means your engine computer has detected an out-of-range performance problem within the diesel intake airflow position sensor circuit. This sensor is usually bolted to the throttle body on the intake manifold. Its job is to measure the exact volume of clean air entering the engine and convert that into an electrical voltage signal. The computer compares this fresh air volume to the amount of exhaust gas being recirculated back into the engine. If the voltage signal from this sensor does not match the expected normal conditions programmed into the computer, it triggers this specific code. While the severity is usually low because the computer can compensate for the electrical failure, the symptoms are frustrating. Your check engine light will illuminate, and you might notice an unusually low engine idle speed. More importantly, your exhaust gas recirculation system will stop operating, and your truck will refuse to perform a regeneration cycle. Regeneration is the critical process where the engine burns off the thick soot accumulated inside the diesel particulate filter. If this is disabled, your exhaust will eventually clog entirely. The potential causes for this performance code include an open wire, a short to voltage, or a short to ground in the signal circuit leading to the sensor. You could also be dealing with a completely failed intake air flow position sensor or mechanical damage to the sensor itself. To troubleshoot this issue at home, start by locating the sensor and visually inspecting the wiring harness. Look for any wires that have been rubbed bare or melted near hot engine components. Disconnect the plug and check for green corrosion inside the metal terminals. If the wiring looks perfect, you will need a digital voltometer. With the key on and the engine off, check the ground terminal and verify that the signal terminal is receiving a steady 5 volts. If you're not getting 5 volts, or if your visual inspection does not reveal an obvious wiring issue, you should definitely take your truck to a professional diesel mechanic. Diagnosing complex diesel emissions systems requires advanced scan tools to monitor live data and force a manual exhaust regeneration once the repair is complete. Thanks for tuning in, and keep your truck breathing clean.